All right, so you have clients and you want to make sure that they are taken care of at all costs. However, you're super busy and don't always have the time. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the client care manager position, a VA for just a few bucks an hour that can take care of all your client care needs. Hey guys, Justin Nelson here, owner and CEO of Sphere Rocket Virtual Assistant. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the client care manager position. This position is a position that can make you more money than you have ever imagined. But before we dive in, make sure that you guys hit the bell, subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. But on today's video, I want to jump into what the client care manager position is. So no matter what business you're in, at the end of the day, your business is about getting clients and keeping clients happy and giving them an experience that they've never imagined. And many times through our journey as entrepreneurs, as business owners, some of you guys might be solopreneurs, some of you guys might have small businesses, and some of you guys might have major corporations. One of the things we all have in common is we got to serve our clients at a level that we've never served them before to retain them. One of the things you guys might have heard before is in today's day of advertising, there's a million messages going left and right. Customers are flipping companies, more than ever just because of the sensory of information being thrown at them at any given time. And so I just want to give you guys a few examples in the following videos on how we use client care managers in the virtual assistant space. So what are the top 5 reasons why people do not take care of their clients is one of the things I want to cover first. So the very first reason people don't take care of their clients is you just run out of time, right? You run out of time. A lot of times we're taught you need to call your clients, check in with your clients. In some industries like real estate or like financial advising or loan officers and hundreds of other industries, you're like, call your clients once a month, call them once a quarter, make sure you send them a weekly mailer, right? There's all these things and we just get over inundated. So number one reason why we do not take care of our clients the way they should be is we just run out of time. Number 2 is we lack the organizational skills. And what I mean by that is someone like me, I have a high D personality. My high D personality is all over the place. I just am not someone that is meant to be keeping organized and, to be able to be organized enough to take care of my clients. That's just not something that's going to happen. So reason number 2 is we don't stay organized, organized in our CRM, organized in having the information where our clients live, all of the above. Number 3 is having a system to be able to relatively touch our clients. And what I mean by that is if you don't know where your clients live, if you don't know what social medias they're on, if you don't have their contact information, if you don't know their likes and dislikes, it's really hard to have a genuine conversation with people. So reason number 3 is not having a system in place to collect data about our clients and then having a system in place to be able to outreach to our clients. Reason number 4 is many of us lack a dedicated department or staff to take care of this, right? When you look at big corporations or companies, maybe you look at someone like the Ritz-Carlton. Why do they provide such a great service? Well, it's because they have so many staff members everywhere that are all trained on a code of excellence, right? The front doorman, the hotel staff, the people changing your laundry, the chefs, the servers. Reason number 4, many times we just lack the amount of staff it takes to provide a great level of customer service. Number 5 is what I call the turn and burn. Many of us are just so hard focused on lead generation, on getting that next piece of business that by no means are we trying to neglect our clients. It's just we are so worried about that next deal that we forget about the residual effects that come from a happy client, because referrals don't usually come day 1, right? Usually repeat business doesn't come day 1, right? Just from the sales cycle. And so many times the turn and burn method is reason number 5 why we don't take care of our clients. So if you guys want to see the exact things that I have our virtual assistants do, we're going to go through a 5-part series. So make sure you guys stick around until the next video. And we're going to go through step by step the 5 different parts that a virtual assistant does. If you guys have never watched any of our other videos on virtual assistants, you guys can check out some of these videos up here above. But let's just take the assumption for the next 5 videos that I can find you a great virtual assistant at $4 to $5 an hour that can do the following task for you and change your world. right? Let's just run the math real fast. $4 an hour client care manager times 40 hours a week times 4 weeks in a month, roughly $640 a month. Times 12, roughly 7,000. They'll put the real number here. 640 times 12. That's the yearly investment it takes to have a virtual assistant when you direct source. And so when you look at that, what's your product worth? 1,000, 10,000, 20,000, right? If you're selling homes, if it might be a $10,000, $20,000 commission check, it is invaluable to make sure that you're looking at how you can scale your customer service, and I'll show you guys in the upcoming videos.